Hello everyone, today we have got a fun geometry problem to solve. Can you find the area of this figure? Take a moment to think about it and feel free to drop your answer in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. The trick to solving this problem is extending this line right here. Once we do that, we can see the figure splits into a rectangle and a triangle. I'm going to call the area of the rectangle A1 and the area of the triangle A2. First, let's find A1, the area of the rectangle. We know that the area of a rectangle is simply length times width. Here, the length is 8 cm and the width is 5 cm. So 8 times 5 equals to 40. That means the area of this rectangle is 40 square centimeters. Now let's move on to the triangle A2. We know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. In this triangle, this side represents the base and this side represents the height. First, let's find the base. We know this length is 8 cm and this part is 4 cm. So the base is 8 minus 4, which equals 4 cm. Next, let's find the height. This total length is 12 cm and this portion is 5 cm. So the height is 12 minus 5, which equals 7 cm. Now let's apply these values to the formula 1/2 times 4 times 7. First, we can simplify by taking half of 4, which is 2. So now we have 2 times 7 and 2 times 7 equals 14. So the area of this triangle A2 is 14 square centimeters. Now that we know A1 and A2, we can find the total area of the figure. Total area equals 40 plus 14, which equals to 54. And there you have it. The area of the figure is 54 square centimeters. Did you get the right answer? Great job if you did. If not, don't worry. You have just learned a great strategy to solve problems like this, and next time you will be ready. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on more fun math problems. I'll see you in the next one.